Yeah, I've been looking super rough here lately. For the past couple of months, I've been looking super rough. I need to get, you know what? I'm getting out this summer. I don't care what nobody say. I'm getting out this summer because I've been looking rough. I've been looking rough. Your girl been wearing these all day long while I was on leave. Hadn't been doing nothing to myself. I'm out all summer long. I don't care. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. And y'all, I just came from outside. It's cold out there, y'all. It's a cold, rainy night in Georgia. Well, it'll start raining now, but it was raining earlier. Oh my God. It's so freaking cold out there. Like, I literally had to turn my heater back on because I have, first of all, hardwood floors throughout my whole house. So it's just super cool in here regardless. Like, you know. But Georgia weather retarded. About to go pick my child up shortly. And then she's going to go hang out with some friends. And I'm going to chill out. I'm still be chilling. What y'all doing for Easter tomorrow? Y'all cooking? I don't think I'm cooking. I may cook. I may not cook. It depends on how I feel. But I might cook. And if I cook, it's going to be something like real simple. It's not going to be some extravagant meal. I was thinking about a pot roast with potatoes, onions, and carrots. That sounds real good. Yep, and some cabbage. That sounds good. I might cook that tomorrow. What y'all cooking? Or do y'all cook on Easter? Do y'all even celebrate Easter? I don't know. You know, everybody's different, so I don't have a clue. Anyway, y'all, I'm bored at the moment, and I'm looking. Just look at this. Oh goodness, I got some stuff in my eye, Lord Jesus. Anyway, anyway, y'all have a good night. Bye.